Let me show you ProcessKit's client onboarding system. So these are our boards, and I'm going to go into our new client onboarding board. And in this Kanban view, we can see all of our clients that are currently moving through our onboarding process. Let's go ahead and create a new onboarding. Today we're going to be onboarding our newest client, Dunder Mifflin. So we'll attach our client to this onboarding, and let's create it. So here we are in the onboarding of our new client, Dunder Mifflin, and ProcessKit has automatically set us up with our task list copied from our process template. In fact, this onboarding has 3 task lists attached to it, which we'll use as we move through the onboarding process. Now, all of these tasks are ready to be checked off, and we can expand each task to open up its details. So we can include text, embedded videos, images. We can even include form fields and sub-check boxes and options, and all sorts of other interactive blocks that we can build into our tasks. Now, the second step in this process is when we'll ask our client to fill out their Getting Started form. And here we have a template email that is automatically addressed to our client's email address and has our template built into it. I can edit this email to add a personalized note, and here you can see the dynamic liquid tags that we're using, which dynamically show information about the client or the project or any of our other custom fields. This message looks good to send, so I'm going to go ahead and send it right from ProcessKit, and I'll mark this task complete while I'm at it. ProcessKit will store all of the activity that happened on this task, and we can comment on tasks. As you can see, members of my team have been automatically assigned to each of these tasks, and most of these tasks have start dates and/or due dates. Now, these start and due dates can be automatically calculated using dynamic date rules, which can be based off of a number of different actions as your team flows through the process. Now, let me show you what you can do with conditional logic in ProcessKit. Notice step 5, which is to prepare extra items for clients who are on the Gold package. Well, this task wouldn't apply in all situations, only situations where we're onboarding a client who has purchased our Gold package. So ProcessKit can show or hide this task when necessary. In this case, it knows that our client actually is on the Gold service plan. This is their custom attribute with that setting. And as you can see, this task's visibility rules say that it should only be shown if the service plan contains Gold. So you can create all sorts of visibility rules or dependency rules or automated actions based on a number of criteria that happen in the process. Now, ProcessKit is flexible enough to be able to throw in additional tasks wherever you might need them on a case-by-case basis. And changing things up on the fly here in a single onboarding won't change things up in your process template. But if you do want to make edits to your process template so that they're used every time, you can go and edit the process. Let's do that now. So now we've moved over into our process editor. So this is where you can define your standard operating procedure for new client onboarding. We give you our template built in by default, but of course you can make edits to it and change it up as you like. You can move things around, edit the content of these steps, change the rules, assign your people, and anything else. And over time, as you make improvements to your process, you can always propagate those changes out to all of your active projects that were copied from this process template. Simply click this button and all of your latest changes will be automatically pushed out to all of your active projects without wiping out any progress that was made. Now let's jump over to your clients list. In ProcessKit, you can store your list of clients. You can assign people to work on those clients. And on each client, you have custom attributes where you can fill in all of that client's information. And when you're doing projects for this client, or when you're onboarding the client, all of their information is automatically pulled into their projects. Now, client onboarding is the most common use case, but of course you can expand into all the other parts of your operation using ProcessKit. And so that's a look at how ProcessKit can help you scale your client service business. And one more thing, if you'd like some expert help on customizing your client onboarding process or integrating it with your other tools, my team and I are here to help with that. We offer free support anytime, And if you'd like a deep dive personalized consultation, ask us about our implementation service. Thanks for watching.